You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words correctly. If you want to learn how to pronounce related words like bourgeoisie, bourgeoisie, very well, I've had videos for you that you need to watch. I'll link to them at the end of this video. This one is a very confusing word. Proletarianization. Proletarianization. It's confusing. I get it wrong half the way, half the times. I try to say it, but here it is. Proletarianization. And now you know. Can you pronounce it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.